Coil's dual locations in Berlin and Shanghai strategically expand its global influence. In Berlin, we focus on Europe, and in Shanghai, we focus on the dynamism within Asia.
Coil winding in Shanghai is for us a possibility to show our products to the Chinese market, and therefore it is a very important part of our marketing actions for the Chinese customers and industry.
An event like Coil makes it easy to connect because you can just walk around literally and ask questions. It's really important as a leader of the automotive to be here.
You shouldn't miss Coil if you want to stay ahead the technology curve. Coil is not just an exposition, it's a unique place where you can meet the entire value chain of the electrical manufacturing. The number of attendees, the people coming from all over the world, great opportunity for you to understand how the market is evolving.